What's up, everybody? Shamil here, new auto glass, working on this 2023 BMW X6 door glass. So this is a 2020 to 2023 door glass on BMW X6. A few things. See how I got everything out over there, so I put vacuum in there. So let me show you. So, door panel, this triangle piece, if you take a little hook tool, stick it under there and pull it out, it actually comes out this way. And you got a triangle piece in there that pops up, two screws, the usual suspect right there, screw. You got two screws at the bottom and it pops out. Then you want to take the rubber out of the channel to take this side off. See, there is holes for the screws, so once you pop this out, there's 3 screws. Unscrew them. There's a screw right there. Unscrew that, take the channel out. Now you got room to work on it. Then come down here, all these screws here, take it off. This right here to twist, just use a regular socket. I believe it's 12 or whatever matches. Yeah, just regular socket, put it on there, gently twist it, it unlocks them. So there's 3 of them, 1, 2, and there's 1. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Once you take that off, you got a lot of room to clean, vacuum, and you have room before you put the glass in. Put the piece back on, so the regulator ready for the glass. Slide the glass in there, and that's it. Look at all this mess. Glass everywhere, glass. My vacuum. Yeah, BMW is sometimes scary. This one is not. This is actually easy. Just be careful with these when you pull them out. They're very tight, these things, so you don't rip them. Again, screws in here for the channel, this screw here, and then the door, you got 2 screws over there, 2 screws over there, 2 screws on the bottom, and 1 under the handle. Alright guys, just a quick tip on a 2023 BMW X6 door glass.